Hello dear subscribers, today we have 1998 Suzuki Carry, new arrival, with only 10,500 miles on it. It's a very nice truck, 10,500 miles, 5-speed, got 4-wheel drive, you can turn it on, differential lock, I think it's a front differential lock. Or maybe I need to check. I should have checked. I think it's differential lock in the front. Oil changed, all the fluids changed. Very nice condition. I don't see any rust spots. The fuel efficiency probably depends town or US routes, 35 to 45 miles per gallon. Let's check inside. It's got utility light on the rear. For that we need to turn on the key. Works. Then we've got, let's check the lights. Everything works. Beautiful day today. Also, lights work. Okay, let's start it. Inside it's very nice. I mean outside, inside it's just perfect. No rust, no wear. It's all perfect. Underneath, undercarriage, all good. Here. That's a switch from 2 to 4. It's a button axle lock. Radio works. Heater works. 5-speed transmission. Let's fire it up. Let's see. Starts right up, and then we've got lights, high beam, low beam, turn signals, works, and then we're gonna turn on 4-wheel drive. For 4-wheel drive, sometime you need to move it a little on the gear. Yep. It will come on, and then differential lock turns on automatically when you put 4-wheel drive. Heater works. And glove box. This is nice. It's just perfect, clean. I barely, even pen from Japan, some Japanese pen, pencil. Okay, let's turn that off. And it's off now. Very nice truck. Let's ride it a little around. Not gonna go to the road. Just ride it here. Smooth ride, no danglings, nothing. mini trucks going fast. If anybody wants this one, give me a call at 937-510-1263. Let's turn the lights off. Gonna be short video. I gotta do some paperwork today. And let's check this side underneath. That's just like from factory. Yeah, it's all shiny and clean, and yeah, doors all good. Underneath everything is great. Battery, new, very nice wheels. Toyo, no rust on the wheels. Usually mini trucks, I mean older ones, coming with the kind of rusty wheels, but this one is nice. Got spare tire, it's right there underneath. Yeah, 4-wheel drive, Suzuki Carry. Yeah, tank. Very nice unit. And of course the bed is the folds. You can make it like a flatbed if you got some oversized load. Yeah, very nice truck. Beautiful day, but they've been spraying stuff around everywhere. Yeah, the sky looks brown. Okay, that's it. If anybody interested, give me a call. So it's 10,500 miles, just arrived from Japan. Title, clean title, street legal, 35 to 45 miles per gallon, 4-wheel drive, differential locks. Great truck. Got Japanese inspections, and Japan is strict about inspections, so for them it's better sell than pass the new inspection. Money, expensive. And the cab is clean too. Everything. Roof, it's all very good. Okay, have a blessed day. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. And one more from here. There we go.